Hey, it's Greg with Grand Rapids RV here inside Terrytown RV's indoor showroom. Just going to go over monthly payments on some of these different sized units. Having a lot of people doing financing recently with the good rates we're getting. So start with this Jayco here, 264 BH. Probably one of the more common layouts on the market. Model number is usually found to the left of the door. 26 is the interior length BH bunkhouse. So when you're up and down an RV lot and you want to know what you're going into before you open the door, that number right there is a good indication of what's inside. Looking at about $185 a month. Just a basic rear corner bunk model. $185 a month. Let's go over here. It's usually an average credit score, 10% down, but every situation's different. Could be a higher, lower monthly payment than what you see. Something like this, about $158 a month. 23-foot Jayco. Let's head down the line here. Got a big XLR Thunderbolt toy hauler, $702 a month. A good rule of thumb is $100 a month payment per $10,000 spent. It's about $700 a month. Biggest toy hauler on the market, probably 44, 45 feet. Residential fridge. Huge garage. Separate bathroom. Got a bunch of toy haulers inside right now. All hooked up to full power. Let's cruise over here. A lot of people think the RVs are like the auto industry. They're not. Be financed a little longer than cars. A lot lower payments for the money spent. This one here, let's see if we can. It's a 27 RKS, 27-foot rear kitchen slide, $233 a month. A lot of people like this just because of the big windows. Rear kitchen. Main focus point of this trailer will be the rear kitchen with extra storage, extra counter space. Everybody loves the recliners. So this one's been pretty good for us. This here, a little bit longer model number, 31 KQ BTS, 31 feet, QB quad bunk, TS triple slide, $269 a month. This thing sleeps probably 10. Big U-shaped dinette. In a travel trailer, this will be the biggest bunk room possible. Every brand might have a variation of this. 2 slides on each side. Futon couch, which opens the back wall to nothing but storage. And that's where the TV goes. Plenty of room for an air mattress. Fireplace. Big outside kitchen. Let's pick one of these big fifth wheels here. Oop, lights are off. Don't want that one. Here's one with the lights on. This is a Cougar. $463 a month. So technically this is advertised as a middle bunk, but it has a rear living floor plan. Fifth wheel middle bunks are becoming pretty popular. Keep the windows in the back instead of putting the bunk room in the back. They put the bunk room in the middle. So that'll go out into a bed, their own separate room. Spot for the TV, plenty of storage for the clothes and toys. Some brands will have this more like an office where you can slide a chair underneath, and people that work on the road really love it. But the cool thing about this, they utilize the space. Up top is an additional loft. Yeah, Grand Rapids RV, we're trying to be the Michigan's #1 RV resource. So any questions you might have, truck's tow rating, takes about 24 hours to get a credit approval. If you're looking for a specific layout that everybody else doesn't have in stock, we might have it. Have about 1,000 RVs here. So any questions RV related, you can either give me a text or a call. 269-838-5012, or message Grand Rapids RV on Facebook. Thanks, everybody.